Welcome to English Story Hub. Please do not forget subscribe to our channel for more English stories. Long ago, in a quiet village surrounded by rolling fields, there lived a donkey. This donkey was not like the others. It was known for its incredible dedication and strength. Every morning, long before the sun peeked over the horizon, it would rise and begin its daily work without a single complaint. It would carry heavy sacks of grain and vegetables from the fields to the market, walking many miles under the hot sun and through the dust. The owner depended on the donkey more than anything else. He trusted that the donkey would never stop, never slow down, and the donkey, proud of its work, did not want to disappoint. One day, as the donkey was resting after a long day, the owner approached with a shining golden bell. "This bell," the owner said, "will show everyone how hard-working and important you are." He fastened the bell gently around the donkey's neck. As the donkey moved, the bell chimed clearly, a beautiful sound that echoed through the village and the fields. The donkey was thrilled. It had never felt so valued. The bell was not just a decoration, it was a symbol of its worth. From that moment, the donkey resolved to work even harder, making sure the bell rang with every step, every day, from dawn until dusk. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. The donkey's work increased. The owner began to rely on the bell's sound as a sign of productivity. When the bell rang loud and clear, it meant the donkey was working well. But the owner did not notice the donkey's growing exhaustion, the slow weakening of its legs, or the deepening pain in its back. One evening, as the sun set and painted the sky orange and purple, the donkey finally sat down, too tired to stand. The bell still chimed softly, but its strength was fading. Nearby, an ox who had watched the donkey for many seasons approached quietly. "Why do you push yourself so hard?" the ox asked gently. "You are carrying too much." The donkey sighed. "The bell, it tells the world who I am. If I stop, the bell stops. And then I will be forgotten." The ox looked at the donkey with kind eyes. "Sometimes, the loudest sounds hide the deepest pain. Don't forget to listen to yourself, not just the world." Days passed. The donkey's strength gave out. One morning, it collapsed under the weight of its burdens, unable to rise. The bell still hung around its neck, ringing faintly in the morning breeze. The owner came running, shocked to see the donkey lying there. At first, his heart filled with guilt. "I have pushed you too hard," he thought. But then, a colder thought crossed his mind. The bell no longer rings as loudly as before. Perhaps it means the donkey is no longer useful. Without another word, the owner unfastened the golden bell and placed it aside, as if removing the bell could remove the donkey's value. The animals of the village watched silently, their eyes heavy with sadness. The ox lowered its head in sorrow. In the workplace, in life, those who work hardest often carry invisible burdens. Their bell recognition, praise, success rings loud and clear when they are at their best. But when they slow down, when they need rest or support, the world sometimes turns away. Remember, your worth is not measured by how loudly your bell rings or how much you carry. It lies in your health, your spirit, your humanity. Don't let the noise of the world silence your voice. Care for yourself. Speak up when you need rest, and seek balance. And for those who lead others, remember to see beyond the ringing bell. See the heart behind the work. Because true strength lies not in endless labor, but in knowing when to pause, when to heal, and when to be valued for more than just the noise you make.